Understanding She Needs Stitches, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that you might come across in everyday English conversations. She needs stitches. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the literal meaning, but also how to use this phrase in different contexts. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase, she needs stitches. At first glance, this sentence is straightforward. It's composed of three main parts. She refers to a female individual. Needs is a verb that expresses a requirement or necessity. Stitches are a form of medical treatment involving sewing a wound or cut together to aid in healing. Put together, this phrase indicates that a female individual has a wound or injury severe enough that it requires medical attention, specifically, stitches to help it heal properly. In medical contexts, this phrase is commonly used in medical contexts. If someone is injured and the cut is deep, saying, she needs stitches, alerts others to the severity of the situation, signaling that professional medical help is needed, not just a simple first aid treatment. In everyday conversations, you might hear this phrase used figuratively to describe a situation that is beyond a simple fix or solution. For example, if a project at work has gone terribly wrong, someone might say, this project needs stitches, borrowing from the medical sense to imply that significant efforts are required to rectify the situation. Expressing urgency. Additionally, the phrase can convey a sense of urgency. Telling someone, she needs stitches, implies that the action should be taken promptly to prevent further complications or to ensure a swift recovery. While she needs stitches is a clear-cut phrase in terms of its immediate meaning, it's important to consider the tone and context when using it outside of medical emergencies. Using it figuratively or in less serious contexts should be done carefully to avoid misunderstanding or the impression of making light of actual injuries. Moreover, in some cultures, directly stating a medical need can be seen as alarming or too forward. It's crucial to be sensitive to how such statements might be received, especially when communicating with individuals from different backgrounds. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, she needs stitches, in all its nuances. Whether you encounter it in a medical drama, in a news report, or in a metaphorical sense during a conversation, you now know how to interpret and use it appropriately. Remember, language is not just about words but understanding the context and culture behind them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll unravel more mysteries of the English language together.